Tabs are a paragraph formatting feature used in Word to align text. Each time you press the Tab key, and the Tab key is shown here on the top of my page here, it's on the top left hand corner of your keyboard. Every time you press that button, you'll see my cursor is flashing here. If I press the Tab key once, it jumps along, and then again, then again. Actually, it jumps by 1.27 centimeters each time you press the Tab key. So say for example, I'm wanting to set up first name, last name department. I'm looking for a list of staff. I could type in first name. I can then press my Tab key, and it'll jump along by 1.27. I'll maybe just do it again, and then I can type in last name, and again tab, and then let's just put in department. So this way will allow you to set up your list of names accurately and in a straight line. We're not doing space bar, don't do that please. So let's say we have first name, Anna, and I'm pressing the Tab key, and I'm just going to press it till it gets to the beginning of the last name. Let's say Jones, department, and I'm just using the Tab key again, marketing. Now that's okay, but it is a bit of a faff because you're still having to judge by clicking on the Tab key to make sure everything is aligned. A better way to do this is to set specific tabs, and how I do that is in my home tab in the ribbon, I'm going to go to paragraph. I'm going to click on the little triangle there to open up the dialog box, and once I'm in there, you'll see I have a section for tabs. I'm going to click on it. It opens up another box, and I can move that round out of the way actually, and it's actually saying I can set these tabs at specific positions, either left, center, right, decimal if you're using maybe a list, a price list or something, and the bar as well. We'll keep with left, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a tab at 1 centimeter. I'm just going to type in 1, and I don't want any dots or anything like that, and I'm just going to press set, and there's the first one. I'm going to type in 7, and then I'm going to set that at 7 centimeters, and I think for a department I'm going to set that a little bit further along, and let's set that at 12 centimeters, and then I'm going to press OK. Now if you can see on the ruler bar, I've got it's like a little L shape there at 1, at 7, and at 12. So this time when I start typing in, so I'm going to press Tab to get the first heading. I want that to be first name. I'm going to press the Tab key. Now this time it will jump straight to 7 for me, and let's have here last name, and again let's click the Tab key once only, and it will jump along to department. And now when I'm starting to add the name, so let's say the first one here in this example, we've got Anna, press the Tab key, it's going to jump to Jones, press it again, it's going to jump to marketing. And this you'll see is now building up. Here's a second example, George, Tab, Smith, Tab, Finance. So this is actually a good way of showing your data aligned correctly. You could use a table as well. There's another video for tables. Tables arguably is maybe more straightforward, but that is how you set a basic tab. So in this example, I'm going to use what's known as decimal tabs. I'm going to create a menu where I want to see the item, I want to see a whole series of little dots aligned, and then I want to see the prices at the right hand side of my page. So I'm thinking that my items will go kind of in this section of the page, and I'll be looking for the prices to be further along, maybe say at 14 centimeters, so the prices are showing down here. So what I can do is back into paragraph, back into tabs. This time I want my prices to be showing around about 14 centimeters. I'm using decimal because it is pound sign and decimal places, and I actually want between the product and the price, I want there to be dots in between. So leader, and I'm going to click on option number 2, leader dots, set, and OK. And you will see that my tab is showing up here. It's like an upside down T, which is showing me it's a decimal tab. It tells me that also. So let's say we put in coffee. Oops. And I press the Tab key once, and you'll see that dots appear, and then I can type in the price of the coffee. Come down a line, let's put in our tea, and then tab once, and let's say £1.80, and you'll notice the prices are lovely and aligned down the right hand side of the page. Let's say hot chocolate, tab, and let's say that put in £2.50. So that's a great way to set up, in this case, a menu. Now, the reason why decimals are also really important, let's imagine it was a larger priced item. I'm just going to put in just anything. Okay, so let's say it's you know £100. I'm typing in £100 there. You'll notice it's decimal, tab, and everything is right aligned. Now you can actually, so you have all your information here, and you'll see the tab is up here on your ruler bar, and you can actually move. Once you've set your tab, you could actually move it just by dragging it along on your ruler bar. Or you could go into paragraph, back into tabs, and then you could change the tab position that way. You'll notice there, to get rid of your tabs, if you don't want them anymore, we can simply click on clear all, press OK, and that gets rid of everything. So that is how you use decimal tabs.